Did you know that an amateur beekeeper and a group of scientists discovered that waxworms are capable of eating and breaking down plastic bags? Yes, you heard it right. Waxworms, the little caterpillars that are usually found in beehives, have an astonishing ability. These tiny creatures can consume and degrade plastic bags. This surprising find was unearthed when a beekeeper noticed that the plastic bags containing her waxworms had holes. Upon further investigation, scientists found that the worms were not just eating the plastic, but also breaking it down into ethylene glycol, a simple biodegradable compound. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Researchers believe that the conditions of a waxworm's stomach can be replicated, potentially offering a promising solution to our global plastic pollution problem. Just imagine a world where plastic waste could be eaten away by tiny worms. Switching gears, have you ever wondered what the oldest recorded joke is? Well, buckle up because we're about to take a comedic journey back in time. In the year 1976, a Babylonian tablet was unearthed in Iraq. This tablet, estimated to be 3,500 years old, contained a familiar form of humor. A your mum joke. Yes, you heard that right. Our ancestors were cracking your mum jokes long before we were. Although the tablet has since been lost, the text remains preserved, standing as a testament to the timelessness of humor. It seems that regardless of the era, certain comedic themes remain universal. It's fascinating to think that the same punchline that might make you roll your eyes today was causing belly laughs in ancient Babylon. So the next time you crack a your mom joke, remember you're participating in an ancient tradition. Ever wondered about kangaroos? These fascinating creatures have a unique trait. Unlike us humans who stop growing around our late teens, kangaroos have a different story to tell. They keep growing and growing until the day they pass away. Yes, you heard it right. They never stop growing. This continuous growth makes them the world's largest marsupials. The red kangaroo, for instance, can grow up to 6 feet tall. That's about the height of your average NBA player. And guess what? That's just their body length. When you add the length of their muscular tail, they can be nearly twice as long. This never-ending growth spurt has a lot to do with their diet and lifestyle. Kangaroos are herbivores, munching on grass, leaves and bark. They also have a unique way of moving, using their powerful hind legs to leap around. This constant exercise probably contributes to their continuous growth. So remember, kangaroos are the Peter Pans of the animal kingdom. They never stop growing. Now let's bring some science into this. Have you ever wondered why your shower curtain gets blown inward when you're taking a shower? It's not just a trick of the mind or a quirk of your bathroom. It's a real phenomenon called the shower curtain effect. This curious occurrence has baffled many, from the casual observer to the seasoned scientist. Imagine the water is pouring down, you're in your own world, and suddenly the curtain is creeping in on you. It can be a bit startling, right? But what causes this? Here's where it gets even more interesting. Despite numerous theories, scientists still haven't pinpointed an exact cause. Some posit it's due to the airflow created by the hot water. Others suggest it's the pressure difference between the inside and outside of the shower. Yet, none of these explanations have been definitively proven. The next time you're in the shower, remember this unsolved mystery of science. Now, let's talk about luck and generosity. Did you hear about the waitress who got an extraordinary tip? Picture this, it's 1984 and you're a humble waitress at a local pizzeria. One day, a regular customer asks for your help in choosing lottery numbers. You think little of it, and with a shrug, you lend a hand. Fast forward a few weeks, and that same customer walks through the door, a winning lottery ticket in hand. He's just hit the jackpot, a whopping $6 million. But instead of disappearing into the sunset, he turns to you and thanks you for your lucky touch. His gratitude doesn't stop there, though. He hands over a check for half of his winnings, a jaw-dropping $3 million. Just like that, a simple act of kindness turned into a life-changing moment. So always remember, being helpful might just make you a millionaire. Finally, let's end with a trip back in time to the age of dinosaurs. Picture a T-Rex, those massive, fearsome creatures we all know and love. Now add a twist. Imagine them covered in a thin coat of downy feathers. Yes, you heard it right. Feathers! The very idea might seem absurd, but it's a theory that's gaining traction among scientists. You see, it's thought that young T-Rexes, much like modern birds, may have sported a feathery coat to keep themselves warm in their early years. As they grew larger and their body mass increased, they would have been able to generate enough heat to keep themselves warm, shedding their feathery coats in the process. This is a fascinating blend of the familiar and the unexpected, painting a picture of the T-Rex that's quite different from the one we're used to. So the next time you picture a T-Rex, imagine it with a coat of fluffy feathers. We've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? From the incredible wax worms, nature's potential answer to plastic pollution, to the fascinating history of the world's oldest "your mum" joke etched on a Babylonian tablet. We've hopped along with kangaroos, the world's largest marsupials, who keep growing until they meet their end. We've pondered the shower curtain effect, a mystery that even scientists can't unravel. We've met a gracious lottery winner who shared his fortune with the waitress who helped him pick his winning numbers. Did you know that the mighty T-Rex, one of the most fearsome predators of all time, might have sported a coat of downy feathers in its youth? As we close this chapter, let's carry forward the spirit of curiosity and the thirst for knowledge. Remember, the world is full of wonders, and learning about them is one of life's greatest joys. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive.